Alright, good afternoon everyone. Today is Thursday, the 24th day of April 2014. Let's see the results in the live trading room today. We lost 16 ticks on soybeans, we made 8 ticks on the Russell, we made 2 ticks on natural gas, 3 ticks on crude oil, and 87 ticks in gold. This morning it took us 15 minutes and 3 trades to get to our goal for the day. When we closed that trade, we happened to be up $660 a contract. We took a total of 19 trades today. We took a bunch of trades today. Anyway, on the month, we are up $6,652.50 a contract. Okay, $6,652.50 a contract. Hang on, I'm adding this other Greg's name here to the email list. That's the gross number. All right. If you apply an $8 commission to every trade we've taken, so far we've taken 218 trades. If you apply an $8 commission, the net would be $4,908.50. If you apply a $5 commission, the net would be $5,562.50. All right. That's where we stand on the month of April, and we still got quite a bit of April to go here. Tomorrow morning I'm only going to be in the live trading room for an hour, but we have all day Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So our high last year was 7,210. So we got to get up above 7,210. We need to make $600 over the next 3.5 days. We should be able to do that. Maybe we'll do it tomorrow. Anyway, that's it, guys. That's where we stand on the month. Okay. Now let me show you how to take the free trial. If you have not taken the free trial with us, let me show you how that can be done. I think I'll log out of that. Slide that over. And go here. If you have not taken the free trial with us, then just go to the home page at CFRN.net. The home page at CFRN.net. It's going to load here. I know it is. And over in the right-hand side, right here, put in your name and your email address, click register for a free trial. When you do that, you'll be sent a confirmation link to the email address that you put in there, so it's got to be a valid email. Okay? That confirmation link, once you click on that, then we know that you have signed up for a free trial. Okay? Then we'll send you all the information you need, along with some videos for you to watch. There's one that says, please watch this video in the subject. Please watch that video. All right? It'll make more sense to you when you get in the live trading room. And that's it. That's all you have to do. We've already talked about the partners meeting tonight. It is tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. You must be a partner to get into it. They generally last 2 to 3 hours. We stay until all the questions are answered. Okay? Or at least until we think they're all answered. If you are on the free trial and you want to get into the partners meeting, you must become a partner before that time tonight. All right, it's 9 p.m. Eastern. All the folks who are on the free trial who wanted to have some one-on-one time, there was a big response to that, so we're not going to be able to do the one-on-one. We're going to be small group. Okay, we'll do a small group, and I really only have a half an hour, so I'll do that in an hour from now. I'll send you all the people that sent me their information earlier today or just right now. I'll send you all a link for that meeting. And it'll start at 1:30 Eastern Time. Okay, 1:30 Eastern Time. All right. So that said, let me jump right into the trades today. On crude oil, we had 4 trades on crude. I believe. Yeah, we had 4 trades on crude. Our very first trade on crude was right in here. We took 2 ticks profit on that one. All right. It was an up close off the BBC. It wasn't the trend line. It was off the BBC. We took a couple ticks profit on that, and you can see it went up nicely. The next one was an up close above the trend line, stopped us out. We lost 8 ticks, so we're minus 6 ticks right here. The next trade right in here, we made 7 ticks profit on this one. All right, that was an up close above the trend line. We got 7 ticks profit there. I missed this one, and I got this one right here, which I only got a couple of ticks profit on. All right, that put us at +2 at the end of the day. You can see toward the end of the live trading room here, there was another trade right there, the shorting opportunity right in there, and that was pretty much it. Okay, so that is what we had on the crude. All right, the Russell, let's do this. The The Russell right now is pulling back for a possible long trade. Okay. The Russell had some nice trades there during the break too. Look at that one right there. Bang! And nothing in there, but right over here. This down close off the BBC right there. Okay. Anyway, the Russell had some great volatility today. We didn't have a ton of trades in the Russell because when the Russell was having all this great volatility, we were in gold. And I was really focused on the gold. The very first trade was right in here. We missed that one. Okay. And it tanked. There was another shorting opportunity in here. There was one in here we took a break even on. And you can see it just, I don't know what pushed the markets like this today, but I loved it. I wish it would do it every day. Right here was a great opportunity to short. Over here, long, long, long. And we missed all that. There was one more shorting opportunity off the BBC right here, right down into the weekly trading zone. Okay, and obviously I'm just scrolling through and looking at these because there was so much volatility. The up close above the trend line right there, back up to the zone again. We took a short trade right in here. We ended up taking a break even on that. That got down to the swing low but didn't penetrate it. There was a long trade on the up close above the trend line there. A short trade on the down close below the trend line over here. Long trade here. Long trade in here. And there are just so many opportunities today. And yet we walked away with just 8 ticks profit on the Russell. Right here is where we got the 8 ticks. Okay, we got a break even there. And a couple of the break evens. But unfortunately, there was a lot of activity and I ended up missing a lot of trades. That's pretty much the way it is. This up close right here is a long trade on the Russell. Okay, right there. You can get long right here at 44.6 on the Russell. Just like that, 44.6. There's 4 ticks profit in the trade. Stop goes to break even after 4 ticks profit. And where should it go, you might ask? The green line should turn up and work its way up into the cycle. As it does that, price should get above 45.6 up here. Okay, that's what should happen. But we don't have any risk on the trade now, so it doesn't really matter. Well, it does matter. I mean, I'd like to make money on every trade I take, but I don't have any risk on. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the next market, and I'll just leave my DOM up here so we can watch my DOM. Okay, the next market was gold. Okay, in gold we had a ton of trades in gold today. A ton, literally, 7. That equals 1 ton. In this particular trade right here, I think we took 76 ticks profit in this trade right here. We missed all of these coming up here and this one right here. That was coming out of the gate with gold. There was a long there, 3 individual longs right there, and I finally got into this one. Oh, what's that, Dwayne?
I thought you might want to lock some in.
Oh yeah. I was just noticing that on the Russell. And
gold. Okay, sorry.
yeah, I'm talking about gold, but this is the Russell trade that I put on
right
a minute ago, so I'm just going to watch that. But I said it should get up above. Where did I say it should get above? It should get above right here, 45.6. So why don't I don't typically throw targets on there, but I'll just throw a target on right there and see if we can take that out. That would be 9 ticks profit if we got up there. But right in here, we got long on this and it just took off. And I ended up getting out over here. There were more opportunities in there. Okay. Right in here, there were more opportunities. Long trades just over and over again as the thing was moving up. Oops. And then it turned around, topped out, turned around, and started coming back down. There's a short trade in there, a short trade in there, a short trade there. This one I would have said the cycle's going up too high. I wouldn't have wanted, not too high, but at too steep of an angle. I wouldn't have risked that one. Finally, we did take some more trades over here. We got short here, took a break even. We got short in here, took some profit. We're just about to hit my profit target on that. I'm going to lock in one more little tick on that. And, hang on. Alright, so we took a down close below the trend line right here. And we took some profit on that. We missed this one and this one, We took this one, which we lost on, took this one, got it back, and took another one right here, got a little bit more profit. Now, we had some great volatility in gold today. I don't know what was making the markets run around like that, but I loved it. There were more opportunities here, like right in there, and right over here, and that's pretty much it. That was it on gold today. Alright, we ended plus 87 ticks on gold, alright, and we just got that target that I had on there. So we just made another 9 ticks on the Russell. Yeah, that was right here, the up close at 44.6, and as the green line gets up into the cycle, we should put in a higher swing, but I put my target 1 tick below the swing, right there, because it may get rejected by it, and we actually have some dynamic resistance right there too. Okay. Soybeans. Soybeans kicked our butt today. This one stopped me out to the tick. This one was our first trade of the day, stopped me out minus 8 ticks. Then we took this one right here, it stopped me out to the tick. And then it dropped down to where I would have expected it to go, into this box right here. That was all we did on the soybeans. There was, looks like, yeah, we could have gotten long right in here. I didn't notice that one. Could have gotten long right in there on that up close. And another one over here. Neither of which I did. I can't tell, I'm just eyeballing it. But yeah, see, we still haven't put in a lower swing here. So that was it on the soybeans. And let's see here on the natural gas. I didn't take any trades in the natural gas today. Or I did. I'm plus 2 ticks in natural gas. I don't know where I did that though. Somewhere in here I took 2 ticks profit in natural gas. Oh, I know where it was. I know where it was. In natural gas. We had a bracket trade on today on the natural gas. That's what we did. It was at 10:30. This isn't natural gas. This is ES. I'm sure you're all telling me that, right? On the natural gas, I did actually put the things on there, I think. Yeah, I did. On the natural gas, we had a bracket trade on here when the natural gas inventories came out. On the first one right here, we took 10 ticks profit. And on the second one, we lost 8 ticks. Okay. That's how we ended up with plus 2 ticks on the gas. There were some more trade setups in here on the gas. Down close below the trend line there, down close there, up close over here. The gas did have some volatility today. Once the inventory numbers came out, it had some volatility. Up until the inventory numbers, though, not so much. It was all this right here, up until the inventory numbers. Then it started to move. That was it. That was all we had. All right. I just breezed over the ES. Sorry about that. On the ES, we'd only recommended one trade, which was right in here, this up close right here. And for me, it would have been a break-even trade. A lot of sideways movement in the ES right there. We did have some zone-to-zone movement in here. Zone-to-zone. That was when the Russell went nuts and gold all at once. All right. But that is it. All right. So, if you have not taken a free trial with us, then you just need to go to CFRN.net. On the right-hand side, put in your name and your email address, click register for a free trial. Click on the confirmation link that goes to that email address, and you will get 5 luxurious days in our live trading room with us. So watching me do what I do. All right. That is it. So we can head out to... we can head out to Vegas. All right.
Yeah, I just sent him I sent David a text that we'll be ready in about 10 minutes, so I'm not sure if he's popped in yet or not.
Yep, he's in there.
Has he? Okay.
Yep.
Hey, did you get that little video that I sent you last time?
I did. I watched it on my phone this morning.
Oh, did you on your phone?
I did.
And so, is that in the current, that's not in the current toolbox, is it? Or is it?
I don't know. I might have taken it out. I was trying to minimize what was in there.
Right. But, I don't even know if it was in the one previous to that.
I know it's not in Ninja. So. Yes, I know that for certain.
Because, are you done?
Yeah, I'm done. You want the charts back?
I'm grabbing them.
Okay.
I think I'm grabbing them.
You
Did I
are.
grab them? I grabbed
You did.
them. Yeah. Yeah. Look, I mean, look at this morning. Here.
Mm-hmm.
Here.
Nice.
And just really nice move here and here. So anyway, we talk about
Good
it a
stuff.
little later. So let's see. Well, if David is in the green room, I guess we'll go ahead and make that move because you probably got things you need to do before.
Yeah, I do. I do
So,
indeed.
what do we call it? What do we call this? It's not a focus group. It's a one-on-one session that grew so large it had to become a one-on-group session.
Yeah, one on many.
The Groupon. So that name's already taken.
Yeah, we did discount.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Well, if I'm done here in time, I'll pop in. If not, I'll see you this afternoon. Of course, I'll see you tonight at
Yep.
the
For sure.
partners meeting.
All right.
Okay.
All right, that sounds good. I'll talk to you later. I'm going to create that thing right now and send it out. All right.
Okay, and I'll get this. I just saw the email about the Vimeo thing. I'll get that fixed. I was not even aware, but I'll
Okay.
get last week's meeting taken care of.
All right.
All right, guys, we're going to pause right now for a very brief station identification. We'll be right back with Mr. David Williams from PageTrader.com.
You're listening to CFRN, a community of believers who trade for a living. To learn more about who we are, what we do, and how we do it, call toll-free 1-866-928-3310, and we'll send you out a no-obligation information kit absolutely free. 866-928-3310.
Good morning, Dwayne.
Good morning. Welcome to the show.
Good. Thank you very much. And good morning to everyone. And I hope you're feeling well today, Dwayne.
I'm feeling better. Thank you, sir.
Good.
Indeed.
Did you take an aspirin?
Today? No, I took an apple. Took
an apple. Okay, it starts with an A. It's close enough.
I think it's up $42 a share today.
I'm sorry, what is?
Apple up $42
Yes.
a share.
Yeah, I'm very aware of that. They're having a great day in Apple. We had forecast back in February of this year, February 3rd, that Apple was trading then at $5.20 in our stock product. And this is one of the differences, again, that I would like to point out, at least from our perspective, between stocks and commodities. Although any market can show, can do unusual things. But the short story is we had forecast that it would go up and touch 558 to 560 and do so in March, in the month of March 2014. So it was going to be a 40-point move. And it immediately went up to 551 and then went sideways for a whole bunch of weeks. And then today finally completed the move up to 558.60 and higher. And so it's that type of behavior that can happen in a longer-term forecast, but it is particular to stocks more than it is commodities. We see more trending action in commodities towards longer-term targets than we do in stocks. We've often seen this kind of thing. So, we have a product for this stock, specifically looking for stocks, and I've noticed substantial differences between the way that stocks relate to the roadmap principle as opposed to how commodities do. And so I'm still working on it, and I'm delighted to see it up. I'm very happy to see the market having a big up day. But it isn't as good as I would have liked it to have been, or easy to have maintained a position and so on. You follow? So that's the part that I'm trying to
Just a couple days
continue
ago,
on, because stocks. I'm sorry?
Just a couple days ago, everybody was saying that, Apple was toast and Tim Cook had done a horrible job. And
Oh, were they? Okay.
Yeah, and then, earnings come out, and suddenly, oh, we're going to put them in the Dow, and, yeah, I mean, people can be real fickle.
Well, they can, and that's one of the things that
Apple
we all.
earnings.
I'm sorry.
Apple earnings.
Yeah.
Apple earnings. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not hooked into that computer today, so I can't use voice activation. All right, I'll just type it in.
Oh,
Apple
okay.
earnings.
I thought you kept saying that to me, and I was thinking, huh?
Apple earnings. Has the iPhone maker got its mojo back? See, now just go back and read a couple of articles, a week ago, and they were just saying that the mojo was gone.
Sure.
Apple lost their mojo. What do we got? And Apple's quarter came in well ahead of expectations on strong overall revenues and iPhone sales, with the company forecasting modestly higher earnings in the coming quarter and expectations that the iPhone 6 could be a blockbuster come September. Apple stock soared to levels not seen since the end of last year. Still, CEO Tim Cook thinks the company's shares are cheap. In announcing Apple will pump an additional $30 billion into a repurchase program, which I'm not a fan of, Cook said, "We believe our current stock price does not reflect the full value of the company." A deeper dive in Apple's numbers suggests Cook's beliefs could be reasonable, but there are still important questions facing the company down the road, and here's a look at some of them. Can anything be done about the iPad problem? I didn't know there was an iPad problem.
Nor did I.
iPad sales were down significantly versus last year. iPad growth has flatlined. The successful redesign of the large iPad into the Air and the long-awaited Retina Mini should reignite sales. Okay. While Apple cut prices, the more important challenge is going to make the iPad more compelling as a laptop replacement. Okay. Does the success of the iPhone 4S mean Apple is getting more serious about cheaper phones? Have you seen one of the 4S's, one of the, what is it? No, the 4C, that's the plastic color one.
Yes, I have.
Have you
When
seen
when I see one of those, I say to the person usually, "Oh, you have the inexpensive model." I see that. Mm-hmm. Something
Yeah,
like that.
You have that the cheap $300 version. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The iPhone currently